Hello, welcome to the installation tutorial for Zoo Diet Navigator, a complete free solution for managing and analyzing your zoo diets. To download it, just go to zoodiets.com and click the button Download Now. You will have to go through a checkout process where you'll enter your name and your email address, but it's free, there's no cost. At the end, you'll receive this checkout window, and there is a download button here in green. Just click that, and the program will download to your downloads folder. Here's my downloads folder. You can see that there is a zip file here. It has a zipper icon, and then it's ZDN 2.0 and a bunch of letters. When you wave your mouse over it, you'll see it says it's a compressed or zipped folder. To use this file, you need to unzip it. It will not work inside the zip folder. So to unzip it, right-click with your mouse button, right-click and do Extract All. I'm going to ask you where to put it. Put it somewhere on your local drive, your C drive, and you're going to want to show the extracted files when complete. I don't want to save it in my Downloads folder. I'm going to move it. I'm going to put it in my Documents folder inside a folder called Nutrition. So I'm going to select this folder. So Documents, Nutrition, and I'm going to extract it. This is my PC Documents Nutrition folder. Here's my ZDN 2.0 folder that was just created. Open that up and you'll see 4 files. ZDN and ZDN support files are the 2 main ones I want to talk about. These are links to more information. This is the program file. You're going to leave that here on your C drive. The ZDN support files folder. If you are the only person that is going to use Navigator, you can leave it right here. If, however, you want to have other people in your department or zoo use the same data, be able to see the diets and everything, you're going to want to put this someplace on a network drive. They don't need to know where it is. They don't need to find it or see it. So put it somewhere on an H drive or a J drive, whatever your institution calls it. Put it somewhere there, sort of out of the way where people won't see it. Now, back to the program file. When you download a program file from the internet, Microsoft will automatically block it for your security. You're going to need to unblock it before you can use it. I'm going to right-click and go to Properties. And this window will pop up, Properties window. At the bottom, you can unblock this file. Click here to unblock it and hit OK. Now that the file is unzipped and unblocked, we can open the program. So double-click to open it. You're going to get some error messages. This is okay. The program just doesn't know where these files are yet. You're going to tell it. Give it a minute. So hit OK. OK. So it finally opened, but there's this yellow warning bar back here. To get to it, you're going to close this window using the X. Don't use the exit just now. Use the X, close it. Enable the content, and now you get this again, and now you can use it. So we unzipped the file, unblocked the file, and then trusted it with that yellow security warning. After all of that, you can complete the initial setup. You're going to locate the ZDN support files folder. Click this button. If you left it right where it installed it, it should be right here. If you moved it, you're going to need to go navigate to where you moved it to. Go find that location. You're going to click the folder one time to select it. You don't want to open the folder, just click it once to select it. and then the folder name should appear down here. If you click it here, it should appear here, ZDN support files, and hit OK. Then step number 2 is select the data file. If you picked the sample zoo to look at it at first, you can click on it here, or you can click the Load Data File button. Would you like to load this data file now? Yes. Success. All tables were successfully linked, and this should be the location of your support files. You hit OK. This is OK. Ignore it. You can just hit End and then Exit. You click the Exit button, it should open up the main screen of NaviGator. At this point, you are probably done installing. However, if your screen is like this, if it's cut off, if you don't see the entire boxes here, if you don't see all of this space, you might need to change your display settings to show the complete NaviGator program so you don't have to scroll around all the time. To do that, go to your Start menu and type resolution, R-E-S-O-L, and eventually it'll say change the resolution of the display. And you're going to want to go to Scale and Layout and choose 100%. Most laptops are going to be set at 150%. You want to change it to 100% and hit OK. And then your NaviGator should fit nicely on your screen. That's it. You're installed and ready to go. Have a great day.